As technology advances, robots are increasingly changing the way we live, work, and even how we eat. From homes, restaurants, and cafes to kitchens, these intelligent machines are working smarter, more accurately, and more efficiently than ever before. Imagine robots doing complex tasks, like cooking exquisite meals, that transform everyday life into something straight out of a science fiction movie. Join us as we explore the wonderful technology that is changing the world as we know it. 1X Robotics Company has recently achieved advancements in the field of artificial intelligence and robotics innovation with the introduction of a new humanoid robot named Eve. Unlike modern-day robots, which only follow a predetermined checklist of functions, Eve can comprehend intricate commands because of the natural language processing, a feature capable of automating and enhancing performance over time. Eve is one of the few AI-powered humanoid robots boasting this level of complexity. Videos of Eve's various abilities, especially her cooking feats, went viral. In the videos, Eve devises recipes and autonomously executes them using artificial intelligence algorithms. Beyond cooking, Eve is programmed to assist in medicine by taking care of elderly patients and performing basic chores like cleaning, fetching, and reminding them to take their pills. Eve has the potential to be useful in a range of industries, including hospitality, gerontology, construction, and even customer relations. This development of Eve focuses on automating and improving her ability to delicately manipulate fragile objects and perform hysterectomized tasks. Singapore recently launched the Ratio Cafe and Lounge, a fully automated robot cafe and lounge located at the Centrepoint Mall. This cafe not only serves as a beverage outlet, but as a technological fusion center offering unmatched experiences with the AI robotic arms that are capable of manufacturing 50 specialty drinks such as cocktails, teas, and coffees. Customers have the option of seamless ordering through interactive kiosks or mobile applications. Ratio Cafe guarantees unmatched taste and beverage quality with the use of expert manipulating and pouring blended with robotic arms. The cafe was able to appeal to a larger customer base by expanding its menu to light foods like salad, toasts, and desserts, in addition to their beverages. The cafe exudes futuristic vibes with its combination of modern design and automation, making the atmosphere inviting to customers. The Ratio Cafe experience sets itself apart from other cafes with its automaton, which showcases improved service speed, precision, and efficiency. The cyber cafeteria employs Dunyasha, a humanoid robot acting as a cashier, built on a Robo-C2 companion framework. Dunyasha possesses a remarkable range of skills. Apart from its neck and face being fully movable, its arms can freely lift and serve food and beverages like ice cream and soda, letting it perform numerous customer service tasks. Unlike other kiosks where customers need to walk up to the robot, customers are served by Dunyasha at their eye level. To pass the time while customers wait for their orders, Dunyasha engages in conversations, provides them with the latest news, or takes selfies with them. The introduction of Dunyasha marked a significant step in the journey towards automated food service and has so far been successfully implemented at the first cyber cafeteria located in the central parks of Perm and Nizhny Novgorod. Dunyasha's built-in features include a robotic manipulator arm, a soft-serve ice cream machine, a soda pop dispenser, and a coffee maker, making her a multifunctional robot. Customers can place their orders using a self-ordering terminal in the cyber cafeteria. Afterwards, they are served at the checkout by the lifelike Dunyasha robot cashier. In Nairobi, East Africa's first robot-staffed restaurant, the Robot Cafe has incorporated hospitality and technology into futuristic dining. The restaurant has AI service robots, such as CL-R24 and Nadia, who assist human staff members at the restaurant in ensuring efficiency in operations. Robots serve meals to the customers at their tables, which reduces waiting times and increases service delivery efficiency. Unlike fully automatic restaurants, Robot Cafe employs a hybrid system that allows human customers to receive conventional service. Because human workers are in charge of orders and drink serving, the cafe is a sponsor for robotics education and partners with local universities for educational tours where students observe automation through robotics. The intention is to inspire aspiring young engineers and tech enthusiasts by showing them how AI affects the service industry. The robots from Robot Cafe have self-driving vehicle technology, which allows the robots to maneuver through crowded dining spaces without crashing into obstacles. This is a positive development for the region's economy, as these improvements have increased the cafe's popularity among tech-savvy customers, tourists, and automation professionals. A Japanese startup company called Richtech Robotics has created Adam, an advanced robotic bartender and barista, in a move that is set to revolutionize the way drinks are served. This robot has specialization in preparing bubble tea along with other drinks like milk and passion fruit tea, which require a high degree of artistry. Clients interact with Adam through a touchscreen interface and can customize the beverage as they wish. Adam Precision blends drinks according to recipes, and he modifies the procedures executed for each drink to make certain quality is achieved for every order. Adam's ability to simultaneously blend functionality and robotics is breathtaking as he dances to entertain customers while serving them using 2 robotic arms. Alongside complex pre-programmed skills to remember recipes and techniques used to make specific drinks, Adam is programmed to assist the cafe and tea shop industry with providing a versatile and extensive menu that is sure to draw in customers. Companies seeking to remain competitive in the beverages market will use Adam to feature in store displays. Along with other goods, Richtech Robotics has showcased their advanced drink-serving bartender robot, Scorpion. Unlike their previous versions, Scorpion is meant for bars and restaurants. Unlike other automatic bartending machines, the Scorpion machine only has a single robotic arm. Scorpion is able to prepare a cocktail with a maximum of 20 ingredients using NVIDIA-based AI in under a minute. It combines automotive features and interactive customer engaging systems to attract precision bars and high-end entertainment venues. Another unique feature of Scorpion is being able to identify facial expressions and gestures to modify how the beverage is prepared. The robotic's ability to customize is unparalleled in terms of proportion, technique, and style. Scorpion is able to transform any simple bar into an extravagant one, making the serving experience infused with technology. Moreover, Scorpion has modernized inventory management. The Scorpion now keeps track of how the stock of ingredients is being used, and when they run low, it alerts the staff, making the process more efficient. For bars and restaurants, they no longer have to keep a manual track, which makes it so much more convenient for them. Monty Cafe is the newest offering from Russia's GBL Robotics and comes fitted with robotic arms to help automate coffee making in highly busy areas. Monty Cafe does not only brew coffee, the robot can serve snacks and desserts along with specialty drinks as well. Focusing on performance marketing is the primary objective for most robotic barista, but for Monty Cafe, serving coffee is just another opportunity to showcase its skills. Not only does the robot have a wide range of beverages, but it can also serve muffins and ice cream. Machines like Monty Cafe can be purchased for $20,000, making the device a viable option for corporate offices, shopping centers, and cafes willing to improve customer service while reducing the cost of labor. Exhibitors at the most recent expo were astounded by the precision Monty Cafe served cappuccinos and espressos. Adding new recipes is as effortless as clicking a few buttons on the user interface, meaning fresh meals can always be available for customers or seasonal demands met. Labor efficiency can be improved significantly as Monty Cafe does not require much human supervision. China has once more advanced the fusion of humanoid robotics and culinary automation with the introduction of the Astrobot S1. This humanoid robot powered by AI built by a Chinese company called Astrobot is highly competent at performing a wide range of functions in a kitchen. In the most recent demonstration videos, S1 astoundingly executes complex stage cooking processes with exceptional precision and is seen using an impressive range of cooking utensils. Designed as an advanced robotic chef that is capable of performing anthropomorphic motions. Unlike most automation systems, her anthropomorphic motions allow her to run at 10 meters per second and effortlessly navigate through fully automated meal processing systems. Each of S1's hands can lift 10 kilograms. This makes the robot cook powerful enough to perform multiple cooking activities simultaneously. Aside from preparing food, Astrobot claims that S1 can operate in fully automated dining environments where she can set tables, pour wine, and even grill sandwiches. In a remarkable step towards robotics, Cafe X has launched the very first fully automated coffee bar. As the name suggests, Cafe X makes sure that all of its customers are served immediately without any assistance, unlike most cafes where service is done verbally and vis-a-vis. Precision and timeliness is met throughout the system. Furthermore, a robotic arm asynchronously makes a variety of coffee drinks as it makes sure that each cup is made exactly like the last. This AI-enabled system is ideal for airports, office buildings, and shopping malls as it is able to handle a great volume of customers. Unlike traditional self-serving coffee shops, Cafe X occupies a mere 40 square feet of room, making it possible to deploy self-operating automated coffee stations at strategic locations. Ordering can be done via a digital kiosk or a mobile app, making ordering very straightforward and as easy as pie. With the use of advanced robot systems, uniformity is maintained as far as the beverage served. Another interesting thing about Cafe X is their ability to serve customers 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. An Israeli company called Kitchen Robotics developed Bistro, a system that transforms commercial kitchens into fully automated ones. The robotic kitchen prepares essential cooking processes, increasing culinary productivity. The system can prepare over 35 ingredients, which include plain and creamy pasta, soups, salads, and grilled steak. Bistro also comes equipped with pre-programmed recipes that have 12 liquid and 23 solid ingredient containers. Recipe dispensing ingredients ensures the same meal is produced at scale using automation. This system has already been implemented in several U.S. states, and the company is planning to expand significantly. Automation can solve chronic understaffing issues in the food service industry, reducing labor spend by 75% and food waste by 33%. Smart automation guarantees compliance with food safety and operating productivity, ensuring great efficiency. Bistro is an industry disruptor for the ease of adopting AI technology in the commercial kitchen, making the shift towards automated eating easier and faster. Boston's Bona restaurants have become the latest adopters of Alfred, the AI-powered chef robot from Dexai Robotics. The Alfred seems like a deployable answer to struggling hospitality kitchens facing room for growth and productivity as the cook stays ever in need of help due to the labor crisis. This robot is capable of making salads alongside many other intricate dishes. His attention to detail alongside his machine learning abilities make this possible in a very short time. Unlike automated chop and stir food machines, Alfred improves over time, constantly learning from the real world. He knows how to accurately prepare up to 25 meals in an hour because he gauges how much of each necessary ingredient is available to him and guarantees they are in the correct ratio. Founded in 2018, Dexai Robotics operates under a robot-as-a-service model, offering Louisiana's restaurants the luxury of state-of-the-art appliances without asking for full payment up front. This form of payment makes it easier for small businesses trying to step up and use robotic kitchen assistants and helps alleviate the financial burden. Moreover, managers are able to keep track of Alfred and control his work from anywhere in the world using mobile applications installed in him.